Here's an interesting puzzle with 2 cards, a hole punch that we've already used, and a screwdriver, real metal. These cards have been punched so that the holes line up perfectly, like that. You can see right through there. Can you see? Can you see my eyeball? Cool. Now look, if these are lined up perfectly, you should be able to insert the screwdriver through the hole. And then if you give a little snap, you can get that hole to actually melt through the screwdriver. And not just this direction, but look, it can go in any direction. And here's the secret. The secret is this. It's not that the hole disappears, it's that the entire space on the other side of this hole completely disappears. Hello! But of course, all of that is only an illusion. How do magicians take the cards out of the box? The easy way is just to make that box disappear.